System 3, makers of fine epoxy products, presents Restore My Wood. This is Dick. Like you, he's a handy fellow who knows the value of a fine piece of wood. The craftsmanship, the beauty. But not so fast. That wood has rot. The ends are split and the wood is disintegrating. Isn't it ruined? A few years ago, the answer might have been yes, but today there's a better solution. The End Rot Repair System, developed by System 3, is the most effective and permanent solution for repairing and restoring wood that has been damaged by rot. And the potential applications are endless. Windowsills, doors, bathrooms, stairs, docks, decks, bricks, stone, stairs, doors. Anywhere you have water damage and replacement would be costly, the End Rot system repairs the wood and keeps rot from coming back. Once you try the End Rot system, you'll realize how much time and money you can save repairing wood instead of replacing it. How can this be? Meet John. He's one of System 3's research chemists. He's going to show you how easy it is to repair wood like Dick's, and why the End Rot system is superior to other wood fixes. There are 4 basic steps to the System 3 End Rot Repair System. Remove the rotten wood. Protect the wood from future rot. Seal the wood. And then lastly, the actual repair of the wood. To do each step properly, you'll want to have everything handy. Typical wood preservatives, System 3 Rot Fix to prepare the wood, and System 3 Sculpt Wood to repair the wood and bring it back to its original size. If you are new to the System 3 End Rot Repair System, you can find everything you need for a small job inside the System 3 End Rot Starter Kit, sold in fine stores everywhere. Let's get started on Dick's wood. John starts by removing the rotten parts of the wood. You want to get down to good, solid wood first. Yes, John, get right in there and dig it out. You want to see bright and dry wood where the rot was. Once the wood is stripped and clean, a shop vac is helpful for removing the debris. Next comes protecting your wood from future rot. Rot is a pesky fungus that grows and eats wood that has gotten wet. There's no sense trying to repair wood if rot is simply going to come back. So you'll want to do your best to divert water that might get to your repair area in the future. The End Rot system protects wood from future rot using a combination of wood preservatives to kill rot, System 3 Rot Fix epoxy to keep water and spores out, and finally, System 3 Sculpt Wood to restore your wood to its original shape. Let's observe as John demonstrates each step. John begins the wood protection process by drilling holes for borate rods. Don't put the rods in quite yet though. No sir. First, John needs to kill the remaining rot that exists using liquid wood preservative. John applies it anywhere that rot was present. John then waits for the wood preservative to dry completely. If you're impatient, you can use a hairdryer or heat gun. Next, he installs the borate rods. You can find the rods in stores or directly from System 3. Next comes an often overlooked step of wood repair, sealing the wood. John thoroughly mixes System 3 Rot Fix according to directions on the containers. John pours the mixed material into a pan to increase the working time. Rot Fix is the original epoxy sealer that hardens the wood and creates a chemical and mechanical bond between the wood and the sculpt wood, which is applied next. He applies a coat of Rot Fix to the surface of the wood and then lets it become tacky. Now it's time to repair the wood, and John knows just what to do. John uses System 3 Sculptwood Putty and Sculptwood Paste, depending on where the material needs to go. Sculptwood Putty is ideal for rebuilding large areas of wood destroyed by rot, while Sculptwood Paste is designed to fill in smaller cracks with ease. For Sculptwood Putty, John mixes the 2 parts of Sculptwood resin and hardener until it becomes a consistent color. If this is your first time, a golf ball size is good to start with. Just work it together with your gloved hands. John makes it look easy, and it is. Then, John packs the Sculptwood into the repair area so that there are no air pockets. You can always add more as long as it's soft. And if it isn't, just dab some more rot fix on. Go ahead and pile it on until it's about an 1/8 inch above the surface of the repair. Don't forget to seal the rods. Once combined, Sculptwood Paste is a smooth and easy to spread product that can be easily troweled in. Nice job, John. That looks swell. John can now go about his business and return when the Sculptwood is hard enough for sanding. This is about 4 hours if it's over 80 degrees, or as long as 2 days if the temperature is under 40 degrees. Once hard, the final step is to sand the repair flush with the adjacent surfaces. It doesn't take much effort. The Sculptwood is specially designed to sand like wood for an even finish. A little paint, and look at that! It's as good as new! Nice work, John! What could have been a costly or difficult repair has been fixed in just a few steps. And because the end rod system is designed to work together, you can rest easy knowing that your repair will last. Be sure to consult the product literature and read the product labels. You've just seen how easy it is to repair wood, and now you too can remove, protect, seal, and repair your project for a permanent solution. The End Rot System from System 3. Accept no substitutes.